Hey guys, I'm Meowface, and I ordered boxes from Hemper. I'm going to be doing an unboxing on this one. I believe it's the medium size box. Let's see what we get. Get a thing of quick hitters, little sneak attack things that are flavored. This one's watermelon. Little banger ball. Uh, 3-pack king size cones. A tray. A little reusable glass filter. I don't know if you can really see that, but little booklet of make your own filters. Comes with like 50 of them. And then some stickers. Oh yeah. And then let's very carefully unwrap this. It's a little bomb. A little balloon dog. Bowl piece goes there. There's a mouthpiece right up there. I think they should have put it there though. It would have been a lot better. But it's pretty cool. Seems like it hits really good. This one just came with a normal size bowl. I did get the bigger bong, but I didn't get it in the box because I won some things a while back. I'll do another video on that later. But yeah, it's like $30 and you get all that. It's not a bad deal. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you.